The advantage of the Eurosceptics, and I'm fighting strongly against them, is they say only no, but they say not what is the alternative. And my question is the alternative that we reintroduce border controls, that we limit the free movement of people, capital, services? Is that our future Europe? Greece alone in the world? Germany alone in the world? The joke of Jean-Claude Juncker, the Prime Minister of Luxembourg, he tells always, is the best example. Once in a year, he tells, I meet the Secretary General of the Communist Party of China, Hu Jintao. Then I take him in my arm and I tell to him, look, you and me together with our 1.3 billion inhabitants, we are a real superpower. And he's right. China and Luxembourg together, it's an important power. But then Juncker continues, when he is back in Peking, he has still 1.3 billion inhabitants. And I, 500,000 Luxembourgs. That's the reality of Europe in the 21st century. We have two options, and that's my European message. We sail together or we sink alone.